Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back. So, the new WhatsApp adds animated stickers, QR code, and dark mode for our web. WhatsApp is adding some new feature to its simply yet incredible popular apps. One of these is animated stickers. While hugely popular on several other messaging platforms like Telegram, iMessage, and WeChat, WhatsApp has only had a very basic sticker support. WhatsApp will soon be rolling out its own animated stickers packs, which will be available from within the app. Another new feature is QR code for profiles. Each account now has its own QR codes, which make it easy to scan someone's codes to add them as a contact instead of manually entering their number. Again, this feature has been around for a while, including on other Facebook service, but WhatsApp only just got around to adding it. Group video call have also been improved. Now when you are in a group video, you can just tap on the video for a participation to maximize their video, and if your group chat has 8 or a fewer participations, you can start a group chat with just one click. Since 8 is the maximum participations WhatsApp support in one group call. The web version of WhatsApp is also gaining support for a dark mode to match the app. And finally, those on iOS device can only now also access the status feature, which is WhatsApp version of stories. Dark mode for desktop, group video call improvement, and status in KOS are now ruling out, while animated stickers and QR code for profiles will be coming in a few weeks. So guys, this is the new upcoming feature of the WhatsApp is really amazing messaging and audio video call apps, and they now added the animated stickers, QR code, dark mode for web also. And this messaging app is really amazing from a Facebook. So when this update is available, I will make a video on that, and you will update your WhatsApp to use this feature. Hope you like this video, guys. If you like it, thumbs up, and let me know in the comment section which feature you most like in WhatsApp. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Peace out. Bye bye.